Hi everyone, my name is Yutong Chiu and my teammate is Maharsh. We are Group 6. Today we're going to talk about Touch Screen Kiosk with AI technology. AI helped the restaurant industry in various ways, from the use of AI in food delivery application, use of voice assistants similar to Alexa and Siri to help with orderings, assisting the outlets to manage their inventory, and reduce over-ordering smartly, and also help to improve the overall customer experience. One of the most excellent examples of AI in the restaurant industry is in the self-service division. Self-service kiosks are being accepted as a way to order and expedite after serving. This kiosk has gained massive popularity in fast food restaurants for their quick service, as they give the customer a chance to go through the entire menu at their pace. Kiosks will let the customer order and make payment faster when compared to standing in line at the counter. So let's learn about the adoption status of kiosks in global environments. McDonald's is one of the pioneers in implementing self-service kiosks at many of its outlets. Other brands like Panera Bread, Johnny Rockies, Wendy's, Dunkin' Donuts have also adopted self-service kiosks and reported significant improvement in their sales and even in customer satisfaction. McDonald's endeavors to modernize its operation utilizing technology, commenced with the implementation of touchscreen ordering kiosks at its repositories. McDonald's is also currently experimenting with a new technology using AI to come up with recommendation engines to suggest customers might like at the purchase. Self-service kiosks can be considered as a starting point, as we can see that several companies have already adopted technology and future improving the service offerings to their customers by using AI. Also, McDonald's designed to add self-service kiosks to at least 4,000 stores every year. So by the end of 2019, almost 10,000 stores around the globe had the self-service kiosk. Back in the days, very few Burger Kings have an outdated versions of a self-service kiosk. In 2018, Burger King had finally admitted that to stay competitive, it had to invest in technology. Burger King launched Burger King of Tomorrow, a program to redesign the outlets by incorporating technology for in-store sales via self-service kiosk, and also add the drive-through sales with digital plates. As the proposed technology is a self-service kiosk, its primary purpose would be to help customers to place orders. Here are some reasons of using self-service kiosk: quick service for customers, and no more long line to place orders. It will reduce stress on the workforce. If needed, it can help to reduce salaries overhead on the restaurant owners, because you don't need to pay the monthly salaries to a kiosk and they don't need to take vacation. And cross-sales products based on the existing order will make higher billing values and a higher adoption rate. Also, employees with reduced workload can come up onto the shop floor and be the brand ambassadors. Most of the competitive advantage of using self-service kiosks are obviously, such as reduced order time, labor cost reductions, and change menu price as needed. While many restaurants are aware of the labor-saving features of kiosks and AI, they may not be aware that the technology can also be a tool to drive sales by providing more personalized service to customers. They can help gather relevant customers so as to provide operators with the information they need to better develop their business. Nothing beats great food, of course, but everyone today wants tailored special with offers and upsells that are geared to them specifically. Now, touchscreen kiosks with AI help to make this personalized service possible. Consumer perceived kiosks as an essential offering from the industry. In the fast food industry, convenience is the topmost priority for the buyers. So consumers are anxious about the new technology being implemented. The recent announcement of McDonald's to invest $2.4 billion back into its business, and most of it is allocated for its tech program, Experience of the Future. Other companies such as Taco Bell, Wendy's, Subway, and Panera follow suit. Burger King is the second biggest global fast food chain, following McDonald's. There is no doubt that Burger King will try and stay competitive in the market and try to tap on the market potential of incorporating technology in its business. And next part will be introduced by Mahesh. He will discuss the feasibility analysis, methodology to acquire and customize the technology, project executions plan, guideline in managing and maintaining the technology, and constraints of the project. Thank you.